Hello, I'm Steve Jacob, the Safety Coordinator for Nassau BOCES. Cleaning and disinfecting are a big part of the measures that we are taking as precautions in the fight against COVID-19. Facility workers routinely clean light switches, handrails, doorknobs, handles. They mop and vacuum floors. They remove the trash, clean the restrooms, wipe vents. They'll spot clean the walls and carpets and clean up any spills and dust. They also disinfect door handles, light switches, handrails, kitchen and bathroom faucets, desks, tables, and chairs. You can help by keeping your area clean and free of clutter, not bringing in any outside cleaning products, and disinfecting your area throughout the day. Let's review the proper way to use our cleaner and disinfectant. This is QT+. It is the hospital-grade cleaner and disinfectant that we use here at Nassau BOCES. Remember, no other cleaner should be brought into our buildings. Please ask your custodian if you need a spray bottle. The bottle should be clearly labeled with the product name. We always want to be sure that no students are near when the product is applied. To clean a visibly soiled surface, spray QT+ onto the surface and wipe with paper towels. Dispose of the paper towels. To disinfect, spray the surface with QT+. Allow the surface to stay wet for 3 minutes before wiping it down with a cloth or paper towel, or the disinfectant can be left to dry on its own. Let's keep everyone safe and healthy. Remember, we're in this together.